In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export PDF on Adobe Acrobat. By the end, you'll know exactly how to access your file in Acrobat on the web and download a clean local copy as a PDF. First, head to Adobe Acrobat Home in your browser. This is the web dashboard where your recent and stored documents live. If you're not already on the Home view, look for the Home tab in the navigation so you can see your files at a glance. It's a simple starting point that ensures you're working with the correct document. Before doing anything else, make sure you're signed into your Adobe account. You won't be able to access your files or export anything without being logged in. If the site prompts you, enter your credentials and confirm you're in the correct account, especially if you use multiple profiles for work and personal use. If you land on a limited view, that's usually a sign you're not signed in yet, so take a moment to complete that step. Next, locate the PDF you want to export from the list of files on your home screen, such as Recents or All Files. Click the document to open it in the viewer. If you manage many files, use the search bar at the top to quickly find the file name. Opening the document ensures you're exporting the exact version you're seeing, including any recent changes saved to the cloud. With the file open, go to the File menu. You'll typically find this at the top left of the Acrobat interface. The File menu is your hub for actions like saving, sharing, and downloading. Clicking it will reveal the options relevant to the document you have open. On the left side of the menu, look for the three dots icon, often labeled as More or shown as an overflow menu. Click those three dots to expand additional actions. This is where Acrobat groups extra options that aren't displayed by default, so it's worth checking if you don't immediately see what you need. Now choose Download as PDF. Acrobat will prepare your document and start the download. Depending on your browser settings, the file will either save automatically to your Downloads folder or prompt you to choose a location. When it's done, open the downloaded file to confirm everything looks correct. If you're working with a large file, give it a moment to complete before closing the browser tab. That's it. You've exported your PDF from Adobe Acrobat on the web and saved a local copy you can share, archive, or print whenever you need.